The 2025 Public Safety Preparedness Summit, hosted by the Bay Area Urban Area Security Initiative, brought together over 330 public safety professionals, faith-based leaders, and community partners in a shared mission. The summit showcased the power of collaboration in preparing and protecting our communities. We are truly stronger together. From targeted violence to misinformation and unplanned incidents, the threats we face are diverse and evolving, but so are the solutions, rooted in partnerships, innovation, and shared commitment. Over 2 days, attendees engaged in keynote presentations, interactive panels, and hands-on workshops. Experts addressed critical topics such as special event planning in a heightened threat environment, emergency management in a changing world, and preventing violent extremism through community-based strategies. Breakout tracks explore the future of emergency public information and communications, including the role of artificial intelligence, and advanced our understanding of targeted violence prevention with a focus on protecting faith communities and vulnerable populations. The summit emphasized cross-sector collaboration, bringing together law enforcement, emergency managers, social service providers, and community leaders to protect what matters most: our people. As we face increasingly complex emergencies, one truth remains clear: preparedness is a shared responsibility. By learning, planning, and acting together, we build a safer, more resilient Bay Area. We are stronger together.